What's up, guys? It's Real here, and today I'm gonna be fishing in my flooded backyard. No, it's not that flooded. It is a little bit flooded though. So there's no sail. It's just a little bit flooded. I'm gonna have to run out there. It's definitely gonna be cold. But yeah, it's real cold out here, and hopefully I can catch a fish. Fishy. I'm gonna come this way. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna like this. Okay. Okay, 3. And go. It's not bad yet. It's not bad yet. It's not bad yet. It's getting bad. Okay, gotta go quick. Gotta go quick. It's cold. It's bad. It's bad. Oh, it's real bad. Oh my God, it's real bad. Oh my gee whiz. Okay, it's not bad anymore. Now that I'm out, obviously. Guys. Oh my gosh. That was bad. We're not low. She's like probably like a few inches lower than this normally. It's just freaking muddy and murky and all that type of stuff, I guess. Okay. And suggestions that you guys have for me that I could possibly do in the future. Yeah, just drop a comment down below. Horrible cast. Salmon are running. And then we're gonna switch rods for a little bit. I'm gonna show you the setup. That's not what I'm saying. So I got this little ding. I don't know what it's called, but and then with a freaking split shot right above it, so I can sink another weight, and then just a bobber a little higher above it. It ain't that deep, so I'm about to lower it. By a lot, actually. It's not near that deep. I'm gonna have it like that deep right there. It really is not deep here. I'm just gonna let it float. Almost on. Or salmon, or anything. If it gets hooked, it's not coming off. Fish not coming off. My gosh, I wanna. Okay, I'm gonna move. Yes, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna go to the island over there. You're scaring the fish away. No, I'm not. It's cooking me up, guys. It's really not deep here either. It's definitely deeper. Since it's freaking flat. Literally for short. And I'm 13. I don't know how much more you can ask for. monkeys. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let me do what I came here for. Just cast it down and hold it, and the current will make it spin. Hold it there until it gets to about like the middle of the current. Just reel it in. You'll catch a fish while you're just like, while the current's making it spin. You can catch a fish doing that. Just sitting there and chilling. A fish? What is? Oh, I caught a fish! No way! Smallest fish. I caught a baby salmon, chat. No way. Guys, I caught a baby salmon. Let's go. Look at its colors. Oh, its colors are so tough. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. There you go. Nice. Just a little baby salmon. I might catch more. I was thinking it's just like, I'm thinking oh, I just got slammed. Got one, fish on, something. Oh yeah, guys. I got something. I don't know what it is though. It's swimming right under me. A pike minnow. Get out of here, you stinky fish. Nobody likes y'all. Invasive fish. Fish. Just kidding. Okay, well, caught a pike minnow. I call it piker minnow, but it's actually called a pike minnow. Northern pike minnow. Invasive little buggers. I'm gonna kill him. Baby salmon, and then I catch a freaking piker minnow. TS might be the strat. I'm gonna break his neck off camera. He's gone. He's finished, dead, finito. Cause I'm a funky monkey. Okay, let's go, guys. We are going to move. Oh, yes, we are going to move. Yes, bag. And let me actually get there, maybe. I lied. No. Oh. Timing. Because I'm like right on top of the fish, guys. I want to be as careful as possible, but there's not much. God. I'm gonna try casting like right at the edge. Guys, whoa. I don't know. Oh my golly gosh. That was a fish. Come on, fishies. Okay, I'm gonna have to call that it. Yippers. That is, y'all, that's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one.